Ladies, you got different way to show your love to your husband. When you cook, ask him to come over to help you on the kitchen. Ask him to help you to make food. It will be fun for you guys. And then show this to your kids. Communicate as you can do for your best friend. Remember, your husband is your first best friend. When you got free time, go out, enjoy your life. Enjoy your life. Spend more time with each other. Spend more time as you can. You know, it's good for both of you guys. Spend more time. Remember this. Don't let any work destroy your relationship. Spend more time as you can. I know you need money, but spend time. Ladies, how many times you complain your husband don't watching you anymore? Yeah, that's fine. Because look, you never dress sexy when your husband is close to you. You never show him how you love him. You know, you never show him nothing sexy, and you never let him to approach you. You don't want him touch you. You get mad all the time. You talk a lot. You know, you never give him time to approach you. When you let your husband touch you, approach you, you will see the result. Both of you will excited. Remember, when you dress sexy like that, don't forget to send photo to your husband, even he's not in your house, and you will see the result. Dress sexy for your husband. When you dress sexy for your husband, you close his eye for other women. You close his eyes for other girls. Your husband can only watch on you. Your girls, your wife dress sexy so many times, you will not watching other girls. Dress sexy for your husband. You can say to him, babe, you are mine, you are mine. Any other woman can take you out on my hands. You're mine, you are mine. Remember, dress sexy only for your husband. Even he's not in your house, dress sexy and send some photos about yourself for your husband on his phone. All right, guys, let's go. Ladies, always surprise your husband with gift, always surprise him. Ladies, when you got free time, always visit your husband at work. He will be happy to see you. Show your husband your appreciation, and he will do same thing for you too. Show your husband how you love him. Show your husband how you listen to him, how you care for him. Show your husband how you so proud of him. Show your husband how you want to be with him. Let him see how you feel when you are with him. When your husband get mad, when your husband got bad mood, you need to listen to him. Keep quiet all the time. Be so sure. Like, hey, I'm thinking of you. You can say that to your husband. Let your husband know and begin small way that is important to you. When he start realizing, you got a feeling also. Don't overcommit yourself. Leave time for him. Respect his member of family. Express how much you appreciate him for working so hard to support the family. Sometimes let him enjoy his day off work without having to work at home. Say thank you to him because he helping you on the house. Say thank you all the time to him, everything he do for you. Show your kids how you love their dad. Show your kids how love supposed to be on this family. The most important thing in life will always be family. The people right here, right now, take care for you, and want to be with you all the time. Another thing in your life, it's not what you do, it's who you become. Konnen langaj lan moun partner c'est très important. Le ke ou patande le ap djou ke yo bezwen lan moun, y ap senti ki yo tre neglije. Kelken so a jon pense ke yo remen yo, si ko pa kompren langaj yo, lan moun lan pa jam rive jwen yo. Mesdames, si span ese aranje mari nou, job nou se pa pou nou transforme yo menm jan nou ye. Job nou se pou nou supporte yo pou kap transforme menm jan avek on bon diye. Support your husband when he got stress all the time. He need it. Bay e wap resevo plis ke so pat kwe ti te ka posib la. Bay e bay anko, moun ki bay pap jam vin pov. Always remember guys, spend more time with each other. Always enjoy your life. To be happy, it's all that matters. The most Esko we ma otan kon moun vreman vre ou bien pou moun ou vle liye? You must learn how to give out love and to let land coming. The one who should do anything to see you smile and will love you no matter what. He want to be with you. Don't let him go. He's surprised to guide you as his wife on his life. He want to expand his rest life with you. Don't let anyone, even anything, destroy your relationship with your man. Always make sure you show your love to your husband with your heart.